Hi, and welcome to this episode of John's Motorcycle Rescue and Review. Today, I am going to let you listen to the first start on my 1983 GS1100GL. I just replaced the clutch in it, fibers, steels, springs, and even the little spacers in there. I also replaced the cam chain tensioner with an APE unit, and put in a new clutch cable while I was at it, just so that my whole clutch system is as close to new as I can make it. And so I've already primed it, and it's a little bit scary here, but I will let you listen to the first start. Hopefully everything goes well. Or not. All right, this is embarrassing. I may have I may not have my switch set here on the clutch lever, so it's not sending the start signal to the motor. I will look at that and I'll get back to you. All right, first start, take two. The switch in my clutch lever had, there's a little peg in there that operates the kill switch, and it won't start the engine unless the clutch is pulled in. Anyhow, just from age or whatever, that little, there's a crack in it, and it had stopped functioning like it should. So after a quick run to the parts bike, I pulled off a switch, and we'll do round two here, see if it starts. All right, good news, she fired right up. No bad noises. I will go ahead and throw some gear on and take it for a little bit of a ride. First ride here, see how the clutch functions, and I'll get back to you on how everything went. I just got back from the test drive on the GS1100L, and everything went smoothly. The clutch, there was no slippage. The bike pulls hard from idle to redline. The bike does not jump when I put it into gear, and the clutch doesn't seem to drag. The shift quality is very good. I'll ride it for a little bit, probably about 500 miles or so, and then just change the oil. I had recently changed the oil prior to doing the clutch installation. The cam chain tensioner, the bike seems relatively quiet. It seems like it actually quieted it down a little bit over the stock one. And then there's just peace of mind with the manual cam chain tensioner from APE.